Ooh, I'm starting over. Stacking it in with the top. Now I'm starting alright. I'm starting right. Damn, my money's right. Yeah, hey, yeah, it's quite alright. Wake up in the morning, then I'm getting back to it. Yeah, I'm getting back to it. You ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you. Yeah, I can't get no racks to you. I don't really care, 'cause I'm done. All the real love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face, 'cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide or run. Yeah, everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head. I said everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head, oh, messing with your head. I've been texting her all night, she know I was going wrong. She left me right on red. Now I'm walking with my head down. I gotta keep my head high. I got a whole nother check, not talking verified. Rest in peace, my bad. I am no hater, you're me in the same way, but only difference is that you do not own it. I can just tell by the way that you're driving it. I pull up in that car just like a stone. Yeah, came a long way, came from the hallway. I can't stop, keep going. Yes, my life just feel like one long day. Just live in the moment. Coming out just when the sun down. My boys, they ruthless like coops and they really run down. I got paper dust from $100 bills covered in bust downs. Counting with my thumb now. Money make me numb now. I don't really care 'cause I'm done. All the real love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face 'cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide it. Yeah, everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head. I said everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head, oh, messing with your head, whoa. I got a picture overseas, yeah, looking at my watch and it's richer than his ring. Watch us smoking on that good, no, I'm blowing at that steam.
Yo guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be releasing my 4K pack, and you know, hopefully this is good, I guess. And here's the enchanted apple and stuff. The effects looks pretty good. I don't know why it's clear, but yeah, boom. So some of the stuff, like kind of mostly like the GUI and stuff. I don't know if I might change the background, but yeah, GUI kind of custom. I actually had to like put this in order and stuff, so it's pretty good. Everything else custom made, swords, all of that, and same with the items, custom made, and a pearl. It's not all custom made besides the potions. Potions were from another pack, so yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so this is the fire, looks pretty good, and boom, survival. So this is the inventory, how it goes. Looks pretty good, and that's the hotbar and stuff. And the ores, the breaking animation is like fixed, so you don't have that glitch thing where it's a black background. And then here's the stick. Stick is also custom made, I'm pretty sure. So boom, boom, particles, pretty good. Wow. Okay. And oh yeah, so the only thing that isn't custom made is, I'm pretty sure, just the sky and the potions. Yeah, that's pretty much it, just sky and potions. Sky was revamped because, you know, I wanted to look better and match everything, and it really does go well. I think it does. So this is the new sky. It's pretty good. And yeah, this isn't by me. I'll leave credits down for it, for the potions and the sky, but it's made by the same person, so